Alright, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Today, we're going to read our next If You Give a Book. Yesterday, what did we read?
If we give a book.
Thank you, Ian. If you give a mouse a cookie. We read, if you give a mouse a cookie. Right? And we were talking about a new skill to put in our good reader notebook, right? Who remembers our new skill? Ryan? What's our new skill this week? I'm going to let Grace help you. Grace? Oh, not inferencing. That's something that's already in our good reader toolbox. What was our new one? And
I got it.
got it, Ryan?
Yes.
What is?
Analyzing the character.
Oh, analyzing the character was last week. Let me help you. Let's listen to our standard. Let's listen to our standard and see what our new skill is. I can describe the connection between two individuals, events, ideas, or pieces of information. Yesterday, we practiced making a connection between events. The events in If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, right?
Yeah.
What was our new good reader skill? If the mouse wanted a cookie, then he needed a what? Glass of milk. Was there a cause and an effect?
Yep.
Yes. What is our new good reader skill? Turn to your neighbor and talk about it. See if you can remember. Turn to your neighbor.
You're my neighbor. No, always. Oh, yeah. Isaiah, you're my neighbor. Me neither. No. Tonight, y'all two are neighbors. Who's Ben? Y'all two are neighbors. Y'all two are neighbors.
Remember, if you don't have a neighbor, turn to a group. So if you don't have a neighbor, turn to a group. Do you remember? Cause. Class.
Oh, yes.
Raise your hand. Dalton has my question. Who can answer my question? How can I describe the connection between events in a story? How do you describe two events in a story, Isaiah? Cause and effect. Remember? Remember, if I tickle you, what will you do? Laugh. So let's do it. Cause and effect. Do it again. Cause and effect. Okay, so let's put that in our good reader toolbox. Let's go back and talk about our other ones. Grace said inferencing. Who remembers how to inference? Who remembers how to inference? Let's everybody do it. You remember? What do we do?
Already know what's details from the text
To make an inference. Good. Do it one more time.
Use what you already know plus
Details from the text to make an inference. Okay, that was one tool in our toolbox. What was our next tool that we learned about last week with David? What did we learn about, Chase?
Their actions.
I see you looking at the chart. We learned how to do what?
Analyze
Analyze a character. How do we analyze the character? We
We
look at his actions. We look at his feelings and how he looks. Good. Let's say it all together. Notice their actions. Determine their feelings. Describe how they look. Alright, so today we're going to continue learning about how to make connections between the events, because we have to be able to answer this question, right? How do we make a connection? And today we're going to read If You Give a Pig a Pancake.
Why?
Who likes pancakes?
Me.
neighbor about what you think he's going to want. Sarah? Oh, that's a good one. All right, this is your neighbor. Turn and talk. If a pig is a pancake, what do you want? What you want to be? Prediction.
Yes.
What would the pig want?
Sarah.
And Eric, what would your pig want? I mean, if you were getting a pancake, what would you want?
My juice.
Juice. All right.
Juice.
Give me hands and eyes.
My juice.
Let me hear your good.
Juice.
Let me see your good reader ears. All right, let's listen. If you give a pig a pancake by Laura Numeroff.
Oh, I know that.
If you give a pig a pancake, she'll probably want some syrup to go with it. You hear some of your predictions coming true? You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky. So she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask for a toy. You'll have to find your rubber duck. All right, let's stop right here. If you give your pig a pancake, turn and talk to your neighbor. What happens? She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Then she'll look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something to wear them with. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece and she'll start dancing.
she got so excited to see her family, she wanted to dance.
Well, has she seen her family yet?
No.
No. What was the cause of her dancing? Remember, we're thinking about the cause and the effect. Why was she dancing, Ernesto? Because the music was playing. Why was the music playing, Corbin?
Because she wanted to dance, and maybe the kid knew that she wanted to dance because she was so happy.
But how did she? What made her want to dance? What did she have on her feet? Why did she want to raise your hand? Raise your hand. What did she have on her feet, Bud?
She wanted tap shoes.
Tap shoes. Where did she get those tap shoes from, Destiny?
Under the bed.
Why was she under the bed, Dalton?
To look for some tap shoes so she could try them on.
Oh, was she looking for tap shoes under the bed, Jalen? What was the cause?
The suitcase.
She was looking for the suitcase. And Connor, why was she looking for the suitcase?
So she wanted a toy.
No, that's not why she was looking for her suitcase. Why was she looking for her suitcase, Ian? So she could go see her family. What made her want to go see her family?
And live with them.
Go back to where you were. Thank you. What made her want to go see her family?
The girl reminded her about where she grew up at.
What gave her the thought of where she grew up at?
Ooh. The rubber ducky.
Grace?
It's rubber ducky.
The rubber ducky. So, let's see. What was the cause? She wanted.
You forgot to put so.
I have to write this part first. She wanted to dance.
She wanted.
So, what was the effect? Why did she want to dance? Ian? Not from the rubber ducky. Bless you.
Ooh, I had something different for the effect.
No. She wanted to dance, so.
She was happy.
Oh, think about it. Let's go back.
She was
Let's go
happy.
back.
So when she came under the bed.
Hold on. We can't hear Chase if you're talking out. One at a time. Chase.
So when she went under the bed and she got on the tapping shoes and she started to dance.
Oh, let's go back. Yep, she put on the tapping shoes, but why did she put on the tapping shoes? Let's see. Let's go back. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. So why is she dancing? She wanted some what, Ernesto?
Music.
She wanted to dance, so she needed some
Music.
Needed some music.
Watch out,
Alright, I need crisscross applesauce, hands and lap. I need my friends right here to join me a little bit closer. I can't see you over there. Chase, come right here. I have a big empty spot right here. Corbin, right here. Alright, let's see. She started dancing. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to run and go get your camera.
Why is the queen picking up the chair?
When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each one of her friends. Look at this silly picture.
Oh my goodness. Look at the girl.
You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps and take her to the mailbox. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a tree house. Try to talk to your neighbor. Why does she want to build a tree house? her backyard. So, what happened, Brian? What was the effect? She saw a tree. Let's put that as our cause. She saw a tree. So, what does she want to do? Dalton?
Play in it.
No, not just playing that tree. Brian?
To get another house.
She saw a tree in the backyard. Cole, I know you probably would want to do this. Cole, she saw that tree. What does she want to do?
She wanted the family building. She
No.
wanted to climb it. I know.
Isaiah?
Build a tree house.
She wanted to build a tree house. She saw a tree, so she
Build a tree house.
she wanted to build
What about the ant and fire?
a tree house.
Is that right? Just fall down and hold a piece of paper.
Pretty much.
Okay. What about maybe?
All right, need hands and eyes. Let's see what happens next. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. Look at that cool tree house.
Yeah. Awesome. We built what?
She'll ask for wallpaper and glue.
Oh my God.
When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her, Kaden, of her favorite maple syrup.
That's me.
She'll probably ask you for some. What is going to be the effect? She's asking for maple syrup.
Probably wants to have pancakes.
She probably wants some pancakes. Let's see. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she'll want a pancake to go with it. Raise your hand. Does this remind you of something? Raise your hand. Jaden. The book yesterday is kind of going in a circle. Every cause has an effect, and every cause has an effect, and then that effect made the next cause. Just like yesterday, and if you give a mouse a cookie, the mouse wanted a cookie, so the effect was what? Milk. But then, because she wanted a glass of milk, she wanted a straw. But then because she wanted a straw, she needed a napkin, and it went in a whole circle. Who thinks they can put together our story from today?
Nobody. Yes,
Alright, so I have a pretend pancake. Excuse me, guys. Honey, I'm sorry. Kaden, please go to your seat. Thank you. Alright, now let me see. I need hands and eyes. Bob's on the floor. And I need eyes. Hands and eyes. Let's get it. Let's come back together. Eric, what did I ask for? And see what? Scoot up. Away from Bud. Crisscross applesauce. Chase. Thank you. Much better. Much better. If we're talking too much to our neighbor, we can't pay attention to what we're doing. So here's our pretend pancake. And here are our items from our store. Here's our piggy. I'm going to put Piggy in the middle. Alright, I'm going to go around to the people who are doing the right things. You were doing well.
Was I?
Thank you, girls.
Yay.
Alright, take a look at your picture and think about what cause and effect
I'll get up.
you have. You have a cause special to wear with them. So now we need what, Zanaya? Special clothes. So going back to the book, does that help us sometimes clear up? Yeah. So can we go back to what we're reading to help us?
Yes.
Yes, we can. All right, now let's see. So we'll get dressed. She'll play some music. What happens next?
Go to the tree.
She's dancing and she thinks she looks cute in her special clothes, so she wants to take a picture. Good.
And she wants to drink before.
All right, I need hands and eyes. Class.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. All right, she'll want to take a picture, so you'll need your camera. Connor, what do you have? Envelope. Well, not there yet. Uh-oh, do we need to go back to our book again?
No.
So, what's our answer?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Eric, come help us. Eric, come look in the book. She'll want you to take her picture, Eric. So what happens? So you'll have to go get the camera, and then what? And then what? She'll take some more. And then she wants you to do what? Put them in the mail. All right, thank you, Eric. All right, so you're in the mail. What happens next? Destiny, what happens next? Look at yours. Is that next? No. I need hands and eyes. Oh, class. Hands and eyes. We got some busy bodies that need to be sitting. I don't know why we're standing or not on our bottom. If we cannot, we will go back to our seat. 1, 2, 3. We are here. Let's start at the beginning because I think we've lost our place. Let's start back at the beginning. If you give a pig she'll want some. If you get syrup and she gets sticky, she needs a. In the bath, she needs bubbles. In the bath. Special clothes. Music. Then she'll want to take a picture. Mail it to her friends and stop. When they're on the way to the mailbox, she'll see what in the backyard, Ben? A tree. And when she sees that tree, she wants to do what? Build a tree house. Do not shout at me. I'm right here. Ian, you don't want to share the tree house? You don't want to share the tree house? Okay, thank you. All right, in that tree house, what does she want to do after she builds that tree house? Decorate it. Sit down, Ian. Decorate it with what, Destiny? Wallpaper and glue. And when she gets sticky all over again, that makes her think of syrup. Oh, Bug is showing me something. Come here, bring me the syrup. Bring me the syrup. Oh, yeah, what's a syrup? And if she wants syrup, she'll probably want some. All right, we have another problem. All right. I can make some more room. I need you on your bottoms. Oh, don't yell out. Ernesto, what happened? We forgot something. How do you know we forgot something, Ernesto? Bug showed us. Come up, Bug. Bug is waving quietly, Kaylin. Bug is saying, wait, we forgot one. We skipped a call. Which one does Bug have? When did the pig need the mailbox? Raise your hand. Don't yell at me. Ollie? When he was putting the pictures in the mail. You can't just put them in the mail and then go to the tree house, can you? No. So where does this go? The PD's envelopes and stamps
look around.
Alright, so today, just like yesterday, I'm going to give you a chance to put it in order.
Hey, someone.
To put it in order. Look at this. 1 second, I'm going to answer mine. I'm going to see who can earn a dojo point.